This then is the EGON DC-Hub NANO. Nano because it's so compact. And like the DC-Hub, it is a central unit where you kind of connect, well, everything. And because it's engineered, it is an engineered standardizing solution for any DC electrical installation in whatever, utes, campers, caravans, you name it. Let me show you how simple this really is. The batteries are connected here. The auxiliary battery and the start battery. DC-DC chargers are connected here. MPPT solar here, unregulated solar here. Outputs include constant 80 amps here and intermittent 80 amps here and here, and 5 25 amp constant outputs here. The new model uses a combination of MIDI fuses and traditional automotive mini fuses. These T-slots are significant. They're designed for cable ties to hold each individual cable tightly in its place, preventing vibration, wearing the connection loose. The clamping forces on these connectors are extremely high. They are not traditional screw-in wiring connectors, but clamps. You do not need crimps, ferrules, or heat shrink. And we developed the Nano because of feedback that while DC-Hub was wonderful, sometimes in the confines of an SUV, small compact builds, there just wasn't enough space, and the different components that it replaces had to be scattered over a wide area. That's now solved. The new models come with an indicator light. I'll turn it on. This basically shows anybody working on the board that the board is live, suitable for both 12 and 24 volts, so two different brightnesses. So what the light means is the central hub is illuminated, which means workshops using the EGON DC-Hub NANO can, like these people, advertise their work in the center of their DC-Hub installation. It's a unique branding opportunity. It ships complete with the bracket. It just has to be assembled because the bracket is first mounted, then the hub is attached to the bracket, mounted in a convenient place in your rig. The EGON DC-Hub NANO is sold in Australia, South Africa and Europe. Go to egon.com.au to find your local supplier.